Hi everyone, here it's Usman, and today I'm going to record a tutorial on how you can set up a business email for your website or online e-commerce shop. I'm going to use Cloudflare for a DNS setup, and I'm going to use Zoho to set up the business email. Usually, most of the online businesses, not most, but some of them use a general email from Gmail or Hotmail, and that does not look very good for your end user. So you need to set up a professional business email for your websites like help@yourdomain.com. So you can use Zoho services for that. I have already recorded a tutorial on how to set up your domain on Cloudflare, and you can follow that tutorial. I will link that in the description below. So I am right now on the Zoho site, where you can see that they offer various services apart from the mail, like CRM, books, and customer support desk, and many other tools. But we are interested in their mail services today, so I will click on sign up now. That's the home page for their mail offerings. You can go through it, and I will go ahead on the pricing page, and let's see. They have various plans, like our plan with $1 per user, or $4, $3, and each plan have various features. You can go through them, but for this tutorial I am going with the free plan, which comes up with 5 users, and each user gets 5 GB of space. I think which is enough for any new business or startup. So let's use that. I will enter my name Usman to the email. Lightspeedcheck.com. Sign up. Okay, so an account with this email already exists. Well, sorry, I had to stop the recording and resume again, because most of my emails are already configured on Zoho. So I had to find the one which is not configured on Zoho. So I just provided the details on the previous screen, and they sent the verification code on the email. Enter the verification code from the email and click verify. So all right. Okay, so they give you two options, either to buy a new domain through Zoho, or add an existing domain, which means that if you already purchased a domain from some other registrar, you can use this feature. So I already have a domain, so I will go with this. The domain that I wanted to add is wpmotic.net. Organization name is CloudPages. Industry type can be anything like education ad. So they are setting up. We have to verify our domain now. Okay, for verification, Zoho will give you some DNS records that you will have to add where your DNS is managed. In my case, I am managing my DNS on Cloudflare, so I will add this record on Cloudflare. It's an TXT record, so we'll go here. Okay, first we will make sure that our domain is now already pointed towards Cloudflare. Alright, it's pointed towards Cloudflare. Let's add the record. It's an TXT record, and here you can see that you can use add or leave it blank. By leave it blank, it should be the main domain. I will use @ and you can see that @ means the actual domain name. Then I will paste the content, make sure there are no spaces, and save. Well, let's see if Zoho can verify these records. All right, so your domain is now verified, and they will ask you for an email which will be the super administrator of this Zoho account. I will go with the Usman, click create. So on this window you can add more users right now, but you can do that later as well. So for example, if you have any colleagues or employees, you can configure them here, but I will just skip it for now. I will skip the groups as well. Alright, this is an important step. You will have to add some MX records so that when someone receives your send you an email, they are routed to Zoho servers. So there are 3 records. We will add them one by one, and they are also on your main domain. So we will use the MX record type and enter the value. So what's the priority for this is 10. Make sure that you enter the correct priority. We will add the second record now. All right, it's an MX record, and it's also pointed for the main domain. The priority is 20, I suppose. Yes, priority is 20. For the next one, priority is 50. We'll add this to, and then we will add another record. Sorry, the record is MX. The priority is 50 for this one, and click save. Alright, so all of these records are added. We will click verify MX records. Okay, so MX records are added as well. SPF record is needed so that when you send your email, it won't land into the spam box of your on your receiver's end. So make sure you add this record too. I will come here and add an txt record. It also points towards the main domain, and just click save. Alright, record is added. Let's verify the SPF record. SPF verification failure. txt has not propagated multiple txt records. Okay, so this is that txt SPF record is not added. Anyways, the record is added, but they will take some time to verify it. I will skip to DKIM verification. Other SPF record is added. It will just like take some time for DNS propagation. Alright, so I will add the DKIM record as well, because that is also needed to ensure that your email deliverability is good enough. So DKIM record is added as well. I will verify the DKIM record. Alright, so Zoho is able to verify the DKIM record. Now we will proceed to email migration. Since this is a new domain setup, I don't need any sort of email migrations. So I will go ahead with mobile configuration. So like if you want to configure Zoho on your mobile as well, they give you various apps on iOS or Android as well. I have already downloaded their Android app, and it's really great. So if you want, you can download the Android app and use it. All right, we are all set. You can either directly go to your inbox, which will be for your email that you just set up, which is in this case is usman at wbmotic.net. You can also go to admin console, where you can like add users, or configure dns records, or all that sort of stuff. So we are good to go. Now you can send email to anyone from here. Like I can send email to my other email, which is also hosted on Zoho. Test email. All right, I am going to send this email. Okay, so you can also go to the admin console from here. Somewhere here you will see the option. I think it's in the all. You can see all of these options and stuff that you can use with Zoho. So I will check my email on my mobile, that did I get the email that I just sent. Yes, I got the email. Just for the test purposes, I will reply from my email to make sure that everything is working. Email is working. All right, email is sent from my mobile, and let's see if we got the email. Okay, so see, I am able to receive and send email from Zoho. You can go to the admin console to add more users, or configure other sort of settings. Like you can add more email accounts from here, like you can add more emails accounts for your team members or colleagues from here. So the domain is here. We are still getting an SPF error, although it's already configured. We will try to verify. All right, so you can see that SPF is also propagated and configured now. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comment box. Thank you.